अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, क्या हाल है। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल कोडिंग गुरु. I hope all you are good and doing well. Today our topic is C sharp, and we are starting with the project inventory system in C sharp. And we design it with very simple steps. First we open the project. I have already making a project, so now I open a project. Now see, this is the project window. File, from file you have select project, and here you have to select web form application, and then you give the name of that project. Our project is inventory system, sales and inventory system, so I keep with that name, sales and inventory system. And then we click on next, and here core is 3.1, and okay it. Here your project is created. Today we just create a first page of that inventory system, and then step by step we continue our project with the step by step. Okay, first what you have to do, there is a form open, see, and here at the side of this there is a toolbox. What you would have to drag, first we drag a panel. Let's see, panel, this is the panel. Why we use panel? We use panel to give some headings. Okay, and you most of the time you see in the softwares there is a heading, so we use panel for that. And you can change its color by going to properties, and on the right side there is the properties of you. If there is no properties, then you can right click and then check on the properties. Okay, now what we have to do, we are doing the changing the color. I keep it black, and then we started it. I adjusted it to my form. Now what have to done, there we use a label where we write the text. Okay, the for that we change the color, because the text have also writes color is black in label. So we first we change the name of that, and then we move to next. Here is the name of the I am writing the text, but you can't see the text because that the text color is also black. Now go to the four colors. Four is for the text, and there is background color which is used for the background changing text. And for if you want to change the text color, then you go the property of four color. Okay, there is also a text color. Okay, sorry. Now I changing the color to white because panel is black and white. Now I change the size. Now change the size and keep it bold, and give the size to 14. So I'm adjusting this label to top. It looks nice. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, if you keep it bold, then it becomes more nicer than before. So this is all happened when you are designing a project, and you make your own decisions while you are designing your project. So I'm doing now. Next, what have to we done. This is another panel. Okay, this is another panel. So here in this panel, what we have to do, we place the buttons and their text boxes and their labels in this panel. Is looks nicer. Okay, first we right click, left side we click the label 2 times and it copies, and no need to one by one. Oh great. Yet we don't need buttons to remove these buttons. Okay, we need some labels and text boxes. For mistakenly I choose buttons. Now I remove. So it's not a issue, big issue, if you remove some buttons are okay. But if you double click on button, it open into the program.css, and you have to remove the event. Its event is evoke, and if you remove the button, then there is a error shown. So here's we have 3 text boxes. We choose these text boxes from the toolbox for this, and it's up to you to expand where it look nice, where it look good. So now first we are change the label text. First text label, sorry, there is a error. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, now what we have to do, we select that label, and then we what is happening right now? Nothing. Okay, it's, yeah. So first we select the label and change this text. This is a product name. So this label is product name, and next what we have to do, it's next is we have product, sorry, price, and then we have discount. Okay, on product registration form we have these 3 things: product name, product its price, and discount. These 3 things in our panel. Okay, you can make it more looks good to change their sizes. I change to 10 because 10 is good, and bold it so it seems bigger. Okay, next is price, same, go to the font property. When you click select that button, what you have to change, that button's properties are opened. Okay, if you want to open the form properties, you select the form. If you want to open the properties of text, then you select that text, that corresponding text, and same like panel and others. So here I want to change the label properties, so I select that label and change their properties. Here I have changed these properties. So what we have next to do, selecting buttons. So what functions are performed over, okay, that I select these button from the toolbox. Here is, you have seen watching that this is the toolbox, this is Solution Explorer. If any case your Solution Explorer is not opened at it is lying on the left and right side bars. You can click there and you can take it from there. Okay, so here we need some text box and also button to completing our product registration form. Simple is this, that arrange as per they looks more good. Now it's look good, perfect. Yes, now I have to change the label of the buttons and the text changes the text box. By default their names are button 1 2 3 4 and text box 1 2 3 4. So when you are doing programming, it's nice, it's good if you change according to the subjective. It means text box of product name, you keep the name of text box product name, then it is more easier for you to write a code. It's very much easier for you. So here we have button below that panel, and I change its text to product ID because this is a product ID, and now I'm changing its text size and font size. Okay, so here what we have to do, we write the product ID, it shown into the respective panel where product ID, I write the product ID 1, it show the information about the product ID of 1, its name, its price, its discount. Same, I write the show it if you want to uh, uh, refresh. Now I take a button one more, it's used for their search. So this is for the search. So it's a good for practice. Alignment R and the size of the button text looks more nicer. You can change the color of form also, you can change it from, you select that form and go there background color, you can choose a variety of, this is a standard color of the form, so you can change. Okay, next what we have, uh, we changing the name of the buttons and their sizes because we don't know what is button 2 doing. If we give the name, then we know that what's purpose of this button. So after that we write their coding and next lecture. Okay, what for this and what for that. So here is simple, we are designing a form for product registration. Step by step we continue our project with steps, so it's easier to you for practice, you can easily practice, or it's a basic for the it is for the beginners, they can uh, learn how to design a form in .NET. How they have no clue why, from where choose the select box, what is the benefit to changes the name. Here we have two other buttons, so we keep their names, one save and the other is update. If you want to enter new data, you just, because in database we created our we will show you that we created our databases table, and there we keep id identity. Its increment is happened on runtime, so no need to write the id. We just have product name, price and discount. We write them, and save button is used to save that. Here I select the form you have seen, and I change the name of the form. So there is two things in the form. One is name and the other is the text name, text. So you change the text, not name. Okay, you change the text, not name. So uh, I ran it. It looked like this, and there is some uh, poor alignment of text box product ID. I change it, and then you can see. I first we have to change the title of form. So we have changed the title of form. Is hard to hold it, na? It's hard to hold it. This one, the scroll bar. Okay, I'm trying to. You must try to work with the mouse. I just use my keypad and all this. Okay, now I write its name product. This is the product form. So I keep the I write the name of where on the corner of form you have seen the name is changed. It's is now product. It's take a little time for execution because there is so many things are open in my system, so it's take a little time, not a little time, not okay. Now I uh, the align our text boxes. So see, this is looks more good than before. You can change the panel color, you can change the form color, whatever. You even you can change the buttons colors also, and so on. So here we have this button find out where is the search button is used to find out where is the respective product ID, the full details of respective product. Save button is used to save the data into the table and update if you want to update something like discount or price of product. You can choose. So here this is the form we have for the called product register. It's a simple designing in .NET framework, and we further use C sharp to code it. I hope you understand. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah.